All right, YouTube, Facebook, we just got done tacking the floors. We already screened it and cleaned it and tacked it. Now we're getting ready to apply the first coat of polyurethane. We did went ahead and tint the poly with a walnut stain color because this is a walnut floor. We would want to add the character to it, just kind of make it pop, enhance it a little bit. So that's what we did. And we got everything ready. Got our T-bar and our rollers ready. And it's going to look great. Like I said, our sanding team's coming to rip this carpet up, and then they're going ahead and put some raw wood down, the common white oak. Then they're going to go ahead and prep it, stain it with the dark walnut finish, and then put 2 coats of polyurethane. So they're on the way now. But yeah, man, this looks great. You're going to love it. So that's what we got going on today. We got a square scrub right here, and it's actually a nice day out here. Man, it's gorgeous. It almost feels like springtime. Wait a minute, it is. So yeah, guys, that's what we got going on. Hope you guys are having a great day. And we're gonna grab some lunch here in a minute and then come back in about an hour, 2 hours and apply another coat. And just rule of thumb, guys, you guys can, for anybody watching that's considering to get this service done, it is called a screen and recoat. It's not sanding, it's screening, meaning we don't screen off your wood, we just screen off your old protection, your old polyurethane, and then we apply a new coat of polyurethane. So it is a cheaper option than sanding alone, and you don't have to, it's not invasive, you don't have to move out or anything. You can walk on the floors 2 hours after we're finished, so it's a great feature. It's odorless, it's dustless, and it's half the cost of sanding. Again, guys, we can save your floors, so please reach out if you guys need this service. Our clients love it. We're typically booked out 3 to 3.5 weeks out, and probably a month this summer, but if you guys want the service, let us know. We can save your floors. We can also restore it, clean it and buff it, fix any repairs. We also do wax removal off hardwoods as well and engineered floors. And if it's beyond restoring or cleaning, we can also replace it for you as well, like we're doing for this customer here. So, all right, guys, again, thanks for watching. AO Cleaning, have a great day. All right, guys, we are coating the first coat. It's looking beautiful. Beautiful. All right, guys, I'm applying the poly with a small T-bar, doing the edge work first. It's going good. Stay tuned. All right, guys, just got back. My team is here doing the floors now, and it dried pretty nice. We're gonna lay the second coat. Look at that, beautiful. All right, we have to go through here real quick. Take the guys out. Excuse me, guys. All right, got that taped up. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, just got done. This is the second coat. It is finished. It looks absolutely stunning. The client's gonna love it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. All right, guys, we just got done yesterday. The floors look good. My hardwood team, sanding team, and project team installed this. We removed the carpet, and we installed the raw hardwood. We stained it dark walnut, and then we put 2 coats of polyurethane. We also, for good measure, did their closets, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. The clients love it. Check it out, guys. And that's did it. And so we did that. And again, we did this area right here for him as well. Looks fantastic. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. Again, like, share, comment, and have a great day.